the whole pressure washing day is obviously the pressure washer. Now, it's a very obvious, very stupid rule of thumb, but you know, we made the mistake ourselves, is to attach the water before turning the power on. The amount of pressure washers we've blown up doing the same mistake is insane. So we want to save you that cost of a new pressure washer. Just put that in your head. Water goes first and then power. So as you can see, I've attached my water. Now I'm gonna plug it in over here. Sweet, we got power. Now let's test the sucker out. Make sure it works. Before I do that, I actually want to bring up another good point over here. Your pressure washer comes with multiple nozzles, but these two are the most important ones. This red one means high pressure, maximum pressure. This yellow one is moderate pressure. So when to use these? This one for literally anything you want to use it for. This is going to help you blast away all that meat. Now this one, especially if you're doing gators, I recommend using it for teeth and jaw areas, or if you've overboiled your heads a little bit and the bone's a little sensitive, I recommend using the yellow one. But if you're not worried about the bones being overboiled, you're not working on teeth, let her rip with the red one. Now let's make sure it works.